Is this her natural hair or crochet? Let's find out. So, to achieve this beautiful crochet hairstyle that looks so beautiful and natural, we are going to first of all braid down her hair, and the braiding pattern or the braiding style is very necessary as to the result you want to achieve. So this is the pattern that I use to braid, because at the end of this video I want her to be able to style this hair in different formats or different looks or shapes. So let's crochet that hair into her cornrows, and this is the hair we are going to be using. It's from Audrey and she got color 33. Though she wanted black, that's color 1, but it was not available in the market, so we just had to do with this color. So this is how I start, by first of all crocheting the hair that I'm going to create that illusion of the hair growing from her scarf, and then I insert my crochet from the front part and I take the hair and bring it out in the front. That's the hair that we are going to feather downward to create that illusion of natural hair. So this video is so self-explanatory. As always, I always ensure that I make my videos so self-explanatory so that you watch and understand. Even if you're watching and you don't understand English, you'll still be able to get what I am saying. So at this point, I just go ahead and start crocheting the hair. Mind you, this hair is natural and it's a little bit slippery, so I have to do the double knot method in order to keep the hair firm and secure, so that even if she's changing her style or the way she styles it and combing, it wouldn't unravel the crochet. So that's why we are doing this double knot crochet style. So I'm just going to continue doing, and I want you to watch keenly, because like I always say, what is important in my videos is following the instructions, because I always make sure I give you detailed explanations on what I'm doing so that you understand it very well. And to get those the side parts or the middle part, there is another way or a different way of crocheting it, and if you don't follow the instruction you will not get it correctly. So watch this video to the end to be able to understand how I came out with the side part. So if this is your first time on my channel, or you are watching while you are not yet subscribed, I encourage you to go ahead and subscribe, because this year 2026 I'm going to be bringing a lot of very creative and informative videos, so you don't want to miss out. So at this part I am creating the side part. That is why I had to go the other side and stand on my left side, because the where as I'm tying the knot is falling towards me. That's on the right side, and when I was standing on my right side tying the knot, it was falling towards me. That's on my right side. So I've crossed now to the left, so that the knots, the side that I'm tying the knots, is going to fall on my left side, thereby bringing out that fluffy, that smooth part on the left side and creating a smooth pattern. You see, that's what I'm explaining, that what is important in my video is the instruction. You see how the part looks good. So the most important thing with this hair is just the front and the back, and the middle part, since if she wants to allow the hair to fall backward so that it's all covered behind. So at this part or behind here, we are not going to be doing anything serious. We are just going to make it or crochet the hair very spacious, and then we are going to focus again on the crown area so that it covers up everything. And that is how we are going to continue doing it, and keep watching and let's see how the video goes. And if you're not yet subscribed, please do subscribe, and let's do this together. A lot of beautiful things this year I'm being more intentional about my YouTube channel. So if there are other videos that you want me to create, just mention in the comment section and I'll gladly do that for you. So if there is anyone that you think that needs to watch this video, please just go ahead and share the video with them. Share the video with your hairstylist, and so that they can recreate the same thing for you if that's what you like. So we're just going to continue watching. as we go ahead with the video. And when you are doing this, always remember that the style that you want to create, or the different patterns that you want your clients or to style their hair, determine where you are going to focus with more hair. So this is it. We are done with the crocheting of the hair. I'm just spraying sheen spray to loosen it so that it should not freeze or tangle when I am brushing the hair out. So this is option one. She can just do this. I have not yet feathered the hair. So let's go ahead and let me show you how I feather it to create that fake natural illusion, like the hair is growing directly from the scalp. So you're just going to part the hair a little bit in the front part. You brush downward or you feather downward, just as I'm doing here. And you see those baby hair will gradually, your comb will gradually push those baby hair in front, creating a very natural illusion. I don't know why my head keep blocking the view. This is one of the challenges I go through filming my content by myself. So though she was going to put this hairstyle in a ponytail or in a bun, but I'm just going ahead to feather the center part sheet in case she later decides to, or she wants to change her style, so that she'll not, maybe like you need to come back to the salon so that we can feather the center part. So I just want to make sure I set everything for her. You see the difference, you see how the other side looks like. So I'm just going to go ahead and feather the center part for her so that whenever she wants to swap her style, she can do that effortlessly. So watch how I do the feathering. I start brushing from upward, then I gradually go downward and create the illusion of baby hair, and it just makes the hair look so natural, looks like the hair is actually growing from her scalp. That is the intention of this hairstyle. And guys, watch the video right to the end because the result is so beautiful. Like I didn't even imagine it coming out like this. You see how it looks now. See how the center part looks. It doesn't look like it has been crocheted. So while putting it in a ponytail or in this bun, I just secure or lay down that front with this band so that as I'm tying it, it shouldn't loosen or it shouldn't shift. That's the right word. It shouldn't shift. So after tying the bun, she just wanted it like this. I undo or I take off the band. I didn't apply anything. So this is my client feeling pretty and beautiful. See how happy she is. She's just shaking her hair and saying, yes, this is what I wanted. So thank you all for being here. Thank you for watching with me. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.